Salatul Tasbih is a nafil namaz, also known as the prayer of forgiveness. A person recites Tasbih 300 times in this nafil namaz of 4 rakats. All the sins of the person are forgiven who offers this nafil namaz. In this video, we will tell you the accurate way to perform Salatul Tasbih, what to recite in Salatul Tasbih, its benefits, the time to perform Salatul Tasbih, and much more. How to perform Salatul Tasbih? In the Salat Tasbih, a person recites the following Tasbih 300 times in these 4 rakats nafil namaz.
Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wa la ilaha illallahu wallahu akbar.
The following is the correct method to perform Salatul Tasbih. Make the intention of offering 4 rakat nafil namaz, Salatul Tasbih. Recite Tasbih 15 times in the first rakat of this nafil namaz after Takbir Itarima and Sana. Recite Tasbih 10 times after reciting Surah Fatiha and any other surah before Ruku. Recite Tasbih 10 times in Ruku after reciting Subhana Rabbi al-Azim. Recite Tasbih 10 times in Qoma, standing after Ruku. Recite Tasbih 10 times in the first Sajda after reciting Subhana Rabbi al-Ala. Recite Tasbih 10 times while sitting in between 2 sajud. Recite Tasbih 10 times in the second Sajda after reciting Subhana Rabbi al-Ala. This way, you will recite Tasbih 75 times in the first rakat, and it will count to 300 times with 4 rakat nafil namaz. When to perform Salatul Tasbih? You can perform Salat up Tasbih in any part of the day and night except the forbidden times. After explaining the method of Salatul Tasbih, Prophet Muhammad PBUH asked to offer this nafil namaz once a day. If a person can offer this nafil namaz once a day, then every Friday. If every Friday is not possible, then once a month. If once a month is not possible, then once a year. Even if once a year is not possible, then at least once in a lifetime. Benefits of Salat Tasbih. Praying Salatul Tasbih wipes out all our sins, minor and major. We, humans, do sins repeatedly, but we have Salatul Tasbih to ask forgiveness from Allah again and again. Furthermore, offering Salat Tasbih builds a strong connection between the offerer and Allah.